You don't need $5,000 to start an e-commerce business in 2026. What you actually need is the solid strategy. Today I'm going to map everything step by step process to build a brand from zero experience, no fluff, just the raw blueprint, exact roadmap, and the next video will be the practical store building. Okay, and so this is a Miro board. So let's go how to start an e-commerce business. Okay, in 26 with $0 experience. Okay, zero, no problem. First of all, this as the four foundations: market research, the problem; product selection, AI brand building, marketing funnel. Okay, so let's first talk the marketing research, the problem. So this is the like market research, the problem. Problem: rising heat. Problem: pests. April. Okay, so this is April 2026 and it's now summer season. So for this April, it's like the rising heat. I mean, the heat is rising. This is a problem you found. Okay, I mean the market research you did, or also other problem you find by the seasons, by the trend. You can see a lot of in online, TikTok, Instagram. And then your next step is the product selection. Okay, so for this problem, which product you can sell, or also you will keep in mind that you are selling a solution. Okay, so the solution is for the rising heat is the portable neck fan or other neck fan or others like portable AC. Lot of solution you can come up with. For one problem you can sell different types of products for different audience, for different angles. Okay, and problem pets for the mosquito, the mosquito trap, this is also solution. Okay, so you come up with a problem and then you come up with a solution. And then our next step is AI brand building. If you don't use AI, okay, you are behind. Okay, uh, now how do you make it look professional with zero experience? We use AI from generating high converting ad copy to creating premium product renders. AI does 90% of the work. This is the secret sauce that helps small beginners compete with seven-figure brands. So I know, or I can imagine that you are zero experience, you are zero, probably zero, okay, beginner. What you will do, just you will go to chat gpt. Okay, write ad copy psychology. You will talk to uh ChatGPT is your teacher. Just think that you don't know anything. Just ask anything, no problem. How you can write ad copy, how you can write hook, how you can come up with a good angle. Okay, so he will show you everything. Okay, from step by step practically. And also now you can talk to Gemini very face to face. Okay, like a voice call, like a video call. And for the visual, you can make visuals by Mid Journey. It's number one, but it's high cost. You can go with Gemini. You can make with cloud. Okay, but Gemini is a very free tool, no high cost. For the visuals you can make, you can go to Gemini. Okay, and last is marketing funnel. Okay, so this is the four roadmap for every e-commerce business. It's the lifetime. Okay, just write it. This is the lifetime rules, the foundation. Like first one is market research, second one is product selection, the solution, and third one is AI driven brand, because AI is now in everywhere. You cannot do business by traditional or like old type of business like analog or manual. No, now AI is doing everything, so you have to be very good in AI. Just talk to AI, you will show you. So marketing funnel is 1.5 second hook. In 2022 we see 3 seconds is the hook, primary hook rate, hold rate, but right now it's 1.5. Even 1 seconds, within 1 second you have to catch your audience. uh like their psychology is very fast now. They within millisecond they scroll. Okay, okay, so 1.5 second hook, you hooked your audience, you grab their audience attention and then interest. And then they are, when they're interested, they go to your landing page and then sell. Okay, so that's it. So how you will research the market? let's see, Amazon, TikTok, Reddit, Twitter, Instagram, these are now very trending and very good platform for research the market, for research know or to understand their desire, okay, what will actually work in the market, okay. Yeah, my friend, that's it. So if you need also dropshipping mentor, dropshipping supplier for your brand, just contact me, okay. So thank you.